So basically, first thing wanna search for LastPass extension, or you go to chrome.google.com, then search for LastPass. You should find the extension. Yeah, so we're gonna wait for it to load there. We go to the Chrome store for us to install it. Yeah, so we wait for it. My internet is pretty much crap these days. It's no fun, really no fun. So we're gonna add it to Chrome. We click on add to Chrome. Yeah, then we will receive a pop-up, add extension, then it will start downloading. Yeah, should start downloading. After it's done downloading, yeah, after it's done downloading, what we want to do now is it should prompt it, the notification will come, it has been added to Chrome, then some tabs should pop up, and it will prompt us to log in. And yeah, if you have it installed, just click on the right hand side of extension, the puzzle like icon, then pin it there, then you should be able to open it from there. After that, yeah, you should be able to open it from there. After that, just click the icon, the LastPass icon on the, then go on open, vote. You should see some things. Now the next thing we want to do now is import our Chrome passwords into LastPass. But yeah, and another thing is you have to verify before logging in, especially if you had logged in on a previous device using LastPass. Yeah, with LastPass per se. So basically we log in. After successfully logging in, this should prompt us to our vote, password vote. After that, we're supposed to go to advanced options, just right below, down there, the settings. We go to advanced options, import. Yeah, click on import. Then something should come up. Yeah, then when we select Chrome Password Manager, we try to upload our passwords to LastPass. We get this error, found 0 items, something like that. We try again, probably we'll get the same response. So the thing that we're supposed to do here is we're supposed to export our passwords from Chrome manually. So go to settings in your Chrome browser, settings. After you go to settings, you should go now to passwords. Yeah, click on passwords, then view, and you're supposed to click on view and manage saved passwords in your Google account. Just click where it says Google account. After that, click on the gear icon on your top right, somewhere there, mid top right. Then should prompt you to get started. Yeah, click on the gear, then you should see the export button now. Then export. This will export the file into a CSV file. Yeah, of course it might prompt you to log in first. Yeah, log in to your, it might, for security reasons, to prompt you to log in to Google again. Yeah, just log in. After that, you should be able to export your passwords, so you can basically save the backup of these passwords anywhere where you feel safe. In this case, we'll just be importing. We're going to import the downloaded file. Go to my downloads, I select the password file, upload it, and yeah, that's just about it. Then you're done. And yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Peace out, guys. Peace out.